Hello children, how are you? Very good morning. Today's topic tissue. This topic taken from the NCERT class 6. So here discuss about tissue. How can define tissue? So before we start this channel, I will request you please like, subscribe and more share and press red button and easily gain with this content for knowledgeable topics. Tissue. So here we will discuss about tissue. This topic, those students who studied in standard 6 and 7, you can easily find out this content in this channel and increase your knowledge. So let's start without any wasting time. So here discuss about tissue. Tissue, how can define? Tissue are groups of cells that have a similar structure and act together to perform a specific function. Do you know? Cell is a structural and functional unit of our body, and tissue are groups of cells. Tissue are groups of cells that have a similar structure that act together to perform a specific function. Do you know? That is similar structure. Tissue have a group of cells that have a similar structure and perform a specific function. This word is specific function. These are 4 types of tissue is animal, found in animal, connective, muscles, nervous and epithelial tissue. Here I have already draw here this diagram. 4 types of tissue found in animals and human beings: connective tissue, epithelial tissue, muscles tissue and nervous tissue. This is an animal tissue diagram. You can easily draw in your notebook and note down this content very well. So listen carefully. Let's again. Tissue are group of cells that have a similar structure and act together to perform a specific function. The word tissue comes from an old French word meaning to wave. There are 4 different types of tissue in animals: connective, muscles, nervous and epithelial. In plant, tissue are divided into 3: vascular, ground and epidermal. Groups of tissue make up of organs in the body such as brain and heart. So what is cell? Cell is a structural and functional unit of our body. And then discuss about again tissue. Tissue are groups of cells that have a similar structure. Means those cells have a similar structure found form of a tissue, converted into tissue, have a similar structure and act together perform a specific function. Okay, so note down this content. Tissue are group of cells that have a similar structure and get together to perform a specific function. There are 4 types of tissue in animals: connective, muscles, nervous and epithelial. There are 4 main types of tissue: muscles, epithelial, connective and nervous. Each is made up of specialized cells that are grouped together according to the structure and function. Muscles is found throughout the body and each includes organs such as the heart. Okay. So let's revise, and before revise this channel, I will request you please subscribe, like and more share, press red button and then start. We will revise here. This topic is very important for this class 6 taken from NCERT class 6. So here discuss about tissue and revise again. Tissue are group of cells that have a similar structure and act together to perform a specific function. There are 4 types of tissue in animals. Keep in your mind. There are 4 types of tissue found in animals: connective tissue, muscles tissue, nervous tissue and epithelial tissue. Here diagram of connective tissue, epithelial tissue, muscles tissue and nervous tissue. You can draw in your notebook. This is the animal tissue There are 4 types found in animals: connective tissue, epithelial tissue, muscles tissue and nervous tissue. Okay, there are 4 main types of tissue: muscles, epithelial, connective and nervous. Each is made up of specialized cells. Do you know? These tissue made up of specialized cell here. Specialized cell that are grouped together according to structure and function. Muscles is found throughout the body and even include organs such as the heart. So next video we will come about and discuss about connective tissue, epithelial tissue and muscles tissue, nervous tissue by taken step by step. And here we will finish this video, and before finishing this I will request to again please subscribe, like and more share and press red button. Stay in home, be safe, think positive, do positive. God bless, take care and enjoy this video. And this is a topic of tissue taken from NCERT class 6. You can easily note down or draw in your notebook. It's a very easy language used for this topic. So take care. Bye bye.